Today we're learning the accompaniment of Yesterday by the Beatles in the original style and key of the recording. I'll also show you how to play the accompaniment in my preferred style. Here's middle C for reference, and we're learning the song in F major. We'll begin with the verse section and cover our left hand first. Our first chord is F major with F on the left. Next is E minor 7 chord with E on the left. Then we have A for A7 chord, and then we have D for D minor chord. Again, that's F major, E minor 7, A7, and D minor. Now we'll cover the right hand. While playing F on the left, we have A, C, and F on the right for F major. This is our first inversion. While playing E on the left, we have G, B, and D on the right, which gives us our E minor 7 chord. For A7, we have G, C sharp, and E on the right. For D minor, we have A, D, and F on the right. This is our second inversion. The chords with hands together are F major, E minor 7, A7, and D minor. Let's cover the rhythm now. The song is in 4/4 time, so we have 4 quarter notes in each bar. We'll count like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. As for the pattern played for each chord, we'll play our bass note on the first 8th beat, followed by the right hand 3 times on the next 3 8th beats. So for F major, we have F on the left, followed by A, C, and F together 3 times, and this covers half a bar. If the chord is to last a full bar, we'll play this pattern twice. The intro of the song is our F major chord played for 2 bars. So we play our pattern 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we start the verse section with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. From D minor, we'll play the same notes except we'll play C on the left, giving us D minor over C. So that's D minor and D minor over C. Next is B flat major with B flat on the left and B flat, D, and F on the right. For C7, we have C on the left and G, B flat, and E on the right. Slowly with the pattern, we have D minor, D minor over C, B flat major, and C7, D minor, D minor over C, B flat major, and C7. And we return to F major. Let's try playing from the intro. From here, we'll continue covering the chords with the left hand first. From F major, we have C over E next, with E on the left. D for D minor, G for G7, B flat for B flat major, and F for F major. We'll repeat that again. F major, C over E, D minor, G7, B flat major, F major. With hands together, we have F major. While playing E on the left for C over E, we have G, C, and E on the right, which is our second inversion. Then we have D minor, which we learned before. That's F major, C over E, and D minor. For G7, our right hand plays G, B, D, and F. Then we have B flat major, and we return to F major. That's a lot of chords, so let's review that again. F major, C over E, D minor, G7, B flat major, and F major. Let's try it with our pattern slowly. F major, C over E, D minor, G7, B flat major, and F major. In normal timing, we have Let's put all that together and play the entire verse section. For the chord section, we already know most of the chords. We have E minor 7, A7, D minor over C, and B flat major. Next we have G minor with G on the left and G, B flat, and D on the right. C major and F major. Let's play that with the pattern. E minor 7, A7, D minor over C, B flat major, G minor, C major, and F major. And this chord pattern is repeated twice for the chorus. For verse 3, try playing octaves with your left hand for a fuller sound. Then we have our second chorus. For verses 3 and 4, as an option, you can add a passing note that's heard in the recording, which sounds like this. So near the end of F major chord, instead of playing our right hand, we'll play our passing note D on our left hand before moving to the next chord. F major, passing note D, E minor 7, and A7. Let's try that again. So for verses 3 and 4, this is what it sounds like with the passing notes. The outro of the song is easy because we already learned it. We'll just play the last part of the verse section. That is F major, C over E, D minor, G7, B flat major, and end with F major. On the final F major chord, you can play F on the left and F, A, C, and F on the right. Now that I've shown you the original style, here's a different style of playing the accompaniment, which I personally prefer more. First, I play all the notes of the chords on the first quarter beat. Then I play my right hand for every quarter beat afterwards. So for the verse, we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Experiment with each style and comment below which style you prefer. By the way, if you want to learn the classic Unchained melody by the Righteous Brothers, you'll love my tutorial, link down below. See you in the next tutorial. In the meantime, happy playing.